Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Student, all of you are good in your homes. Okay. Student, today we are going to discuss addition of volume and capacity unit. You people read in detail in class 2 about volume and capacity. In class 3, we learn how can we add different unit of volume and capacity. Okay, so you people open your book. Hurry up. You people just open book page 97. Look at units of volume. Okay, and capacity. The amount of a liquid that contain a container is called its capacity. Means when you people put water in jug, this is the capacity of this jug. Okay, you can put 1 glass, 2 glass, 3 glass, 4 glass, 5 glass. You people just put glasses when the jug is full of water. Okay, at one stage when you people put water, there is no more space in this jug. Okay, and the jug is filled. Okay, look it. 1 liter of water did not fill my jug. 1 liter of water, 1 liter contain means 4 glasses. Let us put 250 milliliters more water into it. Okay, now the jug is full of water. There is 1 liter 250 milliliters of water in the jug. Okay, look at to this jug. The amount of water in this jug is 1 liter and 250 milliliter. Okay, the following objects are used for measuring the different liquids in liters. Look at to these different objects. These are used for measuring liquids, and this point is important for you people. Look at, remember, we write L, small l for liter, small m and L for milliliter, and the next one, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. You people can simply write 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, move toward the next page. Look at to exercise 4.6. This is just objective like exercise. Okay, write the capacity of the object in the boxes. Here mentioned 250, 10 liter, 15 liter and 50 milliliter. Cross the objects that hold more than half liter capacity, more than half. Okay, means 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter and half of 1000 is 500. So you people just cross these objects whose capacity is more than half, means more than 500 milliliter. Okay, now look at this one is 1 liter mean 1000, 100 milliliter, 200 milliliter and 800 milliliter. You people just cross the teapot and the jug. Okay, the next one is fill in the blanks. We write symbol L for liter, we write symbol ml, small m for milli, m for liter, for milliliter, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. The unit of capacity is liter plus milliliter. Okay, liter is the unit. Liter is a unit to measure capacity of a liquid. Okay, the amount of a liquid, you people measure amount of liquid in capacity. Okay, clear? And you people write unit liter for liquids. You people, just a few people observe your cold drinks, your juice packs. There is write 1 liter, half liter, 1.5 liter, 2 liter. Okay, so on all liquid things you people measure it in liters. Okay, move toward next exercise. Okay, Today homework is also do exercise 4.7, book page 100, question 1 to 9 on rough notebook. We discussed exercise 4.7. I solved some question for you people, okay, and you people solve the remaining question in your notebook, okay. Look at to exercise 4.7. Solve. Liter, milliliter, quantities are given. You people just add the numbers. When you people add 0 plus 5, you people get 5. 0 plus 7, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 1, 2. Clear? Simple addition, just like weight, length, okay. This question you people add simply. Look at the next question. 27 liter 675 milliliter plus 15 liter 315 milliliter. Look at to the answer. You people start from your right side. You people add first these two numbers. 5 plus 5, you people get 10. You people write 0 and carry 1 to the next one number. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. No number carry to the next one. So you people 8. 6 plus 3, 9. Clear? Move toward the next one side. You people 8. 7 plus 5, get 12. You people write 2 and carry 1 into the next number. You people 8. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So you people get the answer 42 liter 990 milliliter. Clear? Same. These two questions also you people solve. Clear? Move toward the words problem. Look at to the word problem. You people solve the word problem just like the previous one exercise 4.5. okay. In exercise 4.5 you people solve for subtraction, okay, but here you people 8 question for addition. You people can take help from clue words. We discuss in the previous lectures the clue words in very detail, okay. The first one is a milkman bought 75 liter 350 milliliter of milk. He bought 35 liter 250 milliliter more milk. How much milk did he buy? Okay. The next one, there is 25 liter 500 milliliter of diesel in a tank of a bus. At 45 liter 400 milliliter more diesel is added. How much diesel will be there in the tank? Clear? Two question here. How much milk did he buy means two quantity are given. You people add these two and get the answer. And the next one is just like same. Again two quantities are given, okay, of diesel. You people add both one added. From this point you people get that you people add these two quantities. But remember, when you people write the question, you people write liter in liter column and milliliter in milliliter column, okay. Question number 7, there is 35 liter 675 milliliter kerosene oil in one tin and 15 liter 700 milliliter kerosene oil in the another tin. Find the total quantity of oil in both the tins. Again the total. For total you people just add these two quantities and you people just write the simple sentences like a milkman bought milk and you people shift these numbers here after sign of equality, okay. There is 750 milliliter of milk in a jug. If 750 milliliter more milk is put in it, what will be the total amount of milk in the jug? Again you people find out the total amount. You people just add these two numbers. And question number 9, there is 950 milliliter of honey in one bottle and 550 milliliter in another bottle. Find the total amount of honey in the two bottles. Okay, I solved these two questions for you people, and you people solve the remaining three just like this. Okay, look at to this notebook. Okay, you just give the heading of solution. You people first write the question like this. Okay, then you people just give the heading of solution. A milkman bought milk. How much? 75 liter, 350 milliliter. He bought more milk. From here you copy the sentence. Okay, how much? 35 liter, 250 milliliter. And then you people write the demanding one sentence, which is milk did he buy. Okay, you people add these two number in rough work and then write the answer. Clear? Same like this, question number 6. Look at to question number 6. Okay, you people give the heading of solution. Write there is diesel in a tank of a bus. You copy sentence from here. Okay, and you people write 25 liter, 500 milliliter. More diesel is added. How much? 45 liter, 400 milliliter. And the last sentence which are demanded, how much diesel will be there in the tank? So we write this sentence like this. Total diesel. We add these two numbers in the rough work and write the answer here. Okay, so you people solve the remaining question like this in your rough notebook and align the question. Okay, work should be neat and tidy. Okay, draw margin line on both sides. Clear? Thank you.